हाँ, ये वाला तेल्स थ्योरम है ना, लास्ट टाइम तेल्स थ्योरम और बीपीटी, और वी कैन कॉल एज व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म? बीपीटी मींस
Basic
बेसिक
Proportionality Theorem.
प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम, राइट? नाउ इसका कॉन्वर्स क्या होगा? कॉन्वर्स मींस बिफोर क्या है? वेन एवर दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस लाइन, देन द साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शन. नाउ क्या होगा? कॉन्वर्स मींस द गिवन विल बिकम प्रूव, टू प्रूव विल बिकम गिवन. सो क्या होगा? टेल मी. If the sides are in the same proportion, then this line is parallel to this line, right? So exam में they will tell to prove the line is parallel to this line. So क्या करेंगे आपको? These sides, if you can prove proportion and equal, then we can say they are parallel to each other. Okay? समझ में आया? चलो, now converse करेंगे. Theorem लिखो. Second theorem. Only two theorems are, that's it. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, सेम रेशियो अगर डिवाइड किया तो मतलब ए डी बाई डी बी इज इक्वल टू ए ई बाई ई सी, अगर डिवाइड किया तो देन द लाइन इज पैरेलल टू थर्ड साइड. वी हैव टू प्रूव. व्हाट इज गिवन? ए डी बाई डी बी, ए डी बाई डी बी इज इक्वल टू ए ई बाई ई सी, ए ई बाई ई सी is a given. Okay, what to prove? To prove what? Line is parallel to the third side, matlab DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove this one. Okay, prove करने के लिए हम लोग एक construction we are learning, we are doing construction. Let or draw DE dash E is not parallel initially. Okay, we are assuming DE dash parallel to the BC first initially. We are constructed DE dash parallel to BC बोल के. Okay. Now according to BPT, when this line is parallel to this line, according to BPT, what is the conclusion from that? Tell me. If this line is parallel to the third side, then according to BPT, AD by DB is equal to A E dash by E dash C, right? A E dash by E dash C. Right? Done? Since we assume this is parallel to this line, then according to the BPT, this by this is equal to A E dash by E dash C. Right? Now, DB, AD by DB, left hand side are equal, then right hand side will be equal. So therefore, this is by BPT. By BPT. Basic E by EC is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Right? Till understood? Okay. Now by comparison, when these two ratios will be equal, when these two ratios will be equal, when E will be equal to E dash, then only these two ratios are true, right? Right? When these two ratios will be equal, when exactly A to A hai, C to C hai, but E ke jagah mein E dash should be there, right? That means from this I can tell that E and E dash coincides. E and E dash coincides, right? Because this is true means both are E and E dash should be same, right? That means E and E dash coincides means if DE dash is parallel to BC, then E dash के जगह में E also लगा सकता हूँ ना? Therefore automatically D is also parallel to BC. एक contradictory statement जैसा हम लोग करने वाला है. देखो समझ में आया? E and E dash coincides. We assume what? DE dash is parallel to BC. E dash के जगह में E लगाओ. Therefore DE is parallel to BC. खत्म. So there is only one point. 4 points नहीं है. There is only one point which is parallel to BC. No other points will be there. आप जो भी assume कर रहे हो वो दोनों coincide हो जाएगा indirectly. समझ में आया इधर तक? ये दो थ्योरम्स आपको थोड़ा बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा, लर्न करना पड़ेगा, सेम टू सेम कॉपी पेस्ट कर लो, हो जाएगा, राइट। कॉपी ना, इसका बेस में क्वेश्चंस करने वाला है अभी पूरा। सो कंक्लूजन्स याद रखो, if they are parallel, the sides are proportion, same proportion. If the sides are proportion, they are parallel. Khatam. This is only Thales theorem and converse of Thales theorem. Abhiram on the video. Hasik on the video. वन एक्सरसाइज में पूरा बीपीटी का क्वेश्चंस, कॉन्वर्स का क्वेश्चंस रहेगा। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में सिमिलैरिटीज रहेगा, एसएस, एंगल एंगल एंगल, ऐसा वाला एक्सरसाइज रहेगा। खत्म, चैप्टर डन हो जाएगा, सिंपल।
Sir, how can we substitute dB and EC?
dB and EC, no no,
Yeah.
this is from given content. देखो, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, and
So
how what
AE
we
by
got,
EC. Okay.
this is you can write like from given, since left hand side are equal, right hand side we are equated, E and E dash coincides. Sure, understood, right? So questions करेंगे अभी। Copied all of them. चलो, हाँ करो, प्रश्न करो। they give in the given में PQ is parallel to MN बोल के दे दिया, and he has given KP by PM, KP by PM is equal to 4 by 13. So KP by PM is 4 by 13. He is telling to find, and KN also given, he is telling to find KQ. KQ is how much? KN is given as 20.4. Total bada wala side is given as 20.4. Oh, no karo. And tell the answer. Whenever triangle में they are parallel to the third side means khatam, we can go for the Thales theorem. So when they are parallel, the sides are proportion. KP by PM is equal to
Sir,
KQ
so
by QN.
in this we'll have to use Km by Kp is equal to Kn by Kq, right?
Anything, any BPT, anything you can use and find answer.
Yeah. So do we have to prove the like?
No, if we want the value of KQ, KQ का value चाहिए, number चाहिए, कितना है?
Okay.
अभी I'm understanding. तो नीचे करो कैमरा. Can't see, only head only. हाँ. Here we got Kp by Pm is 4 by 13 is equal to
Sir,
Kq only. हाँ.
sir, is it 4.8?
We will see. Kq by Qn. Qn value is not given, right? But Kq find करने का, right? Qn को I can write Kn minus Kq. Kn minus Kq. Because Kn value आपको दे दिया ना. I am writing in terms of Kn minus Kq. Now cross multiply करो and try to find the answer. Got asked? 4.8 is the answer. What you got? 4.8 is answer. Just cross multiply. 4Kn minus 4Kq is equal to 13Kq. So 4Kn. Kn is 20.4. So 4 into 20.4. ये उधर गया तो क्या होगा? 70 ना?
Sir, is it 4.8?
हाँ, 4.8 is answer. So Kq is equal to 4.8 centimeters. So मैं So आपको BPT यूज करके only we are doing, that's it, simple. आया सबको? So have you got? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. चलो. Next. So the given A, B, C. LM is parallel to AB. LM is parallel to LM. LM is parallel to AB. Now everything values are given to you. AL, AC, BM, BC. Find the value of X. When they tell parallel to each other, 10 colors.
So x1 is equal to 9.
Yes. X is 9. So AL is given, AC is given. You can use corollary. BM is given and BC is given. So you can use this by total is equal to this by total. कितना आंसर विराज?
Doing, sir.
Yeah. Abhiram, answer. Bhavan, answer. Simple only. कितना है? This by this. So x minus 3 by total is 2x is equal to इधर bm कितना है? x minus 2 by
Sir, x is equal to 9.
yes. Bhavani आया? You got?
Yes, sir. X is equal to 9, right?
9. Abhiram आया? You got Abhiram? You are there?
Sir, I'm still doing.
I'm on the video. Everybody got? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके कॉर्ड इक्वेशन आएगा. कॉर्ड इक्वेशन के कैन स्प्लिटिंग मिल टर्म यू कैन डू, राइट? चलो, नहीं आए तो नो प्रॉब्लम, बट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर से आएगा ना. सो कितना आ गया सबका? किसका डाउट है? नहीं तो आई विल डू. डन? ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट करो. द गिवन st is parallel to qr. खत्म करना क्लास. द गिवन and these values are given 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3. He's telling what? To find ps. This is how much. Wherever you are starting from down से गए तो इधर इधर भी down से जाने का. Both direction should be same.
The answer is coming 4.5.
देखेंगे. Bhavani on the video.
So is it 4.5?
That's 4.5. Bhavani understanding, huh? How you got this by this is equal to this by this. कितना होगा?
Sir, is the answer 4.5?
Yeah. आया सबको? Next. Same model करो. The given PQ is parallel to BC बोल के दिया. Okay. And here also PQ is parallel to BC. खत्म. He's saying to find first case में QC and second case में AQ. Is how much?
Sir,
Hmm.
QC is 2.6
Mm.
and AQ is 5.3 by 2.
Yes. Aya, first one, Bhavani. First one's record.
Sir, it's 2.6.
Okay, second one.
I'm still doing
Oh.
it. 1 sec.
Good.
Sir, I got 2.6 and
Mm.
2.65.
2.65. But on the video and tell, right? Why you always hopping videos? Okay. हाँ हाँ Bhavani, कितना है? This by
Sir,
this?
2.6.
हाँ
For the second one also.
2.65.
Yeah, 2.65.
हाँ आ रहा है? नहीं तो वो लोग बोल रहे क्या कर रहे हैं? No, right?
No, sir, I got it. I got it.
Okay, good, good. So are we getting right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Answer बोल सकते हो, no problem. No one will scold. The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle and parallel to other side bisects the third side. ये किधर देखा है? किधर? Anytime this theorem?
Midpoint theorem.
Midpoint theorem? No. A line drawn through one side of the midpoint. Only this is midpoint given. Matlab this one equal this one is given and parallel to other side the given. He is telling to prove that it bisects the third side. Matlab we have to prove A equal to EC by using BPT. This is which theorem?
Midpoint theorem.
Converse of
That's
midpoint
from
theorem.
midpoint theorem.
See midpoint theorem याद है? ये भी important है याद रखने का, use करने का. What is midpoint theorem? Anybody? If two midpoints के ऊपर line join कर रहे हैं, then what is the conclusion?
It is
If I-
parallel to the third side.
This is parallel to third side and also one more thing is there. Anybody? If two midpoints को join किया, then DE is parallel to BC
is-
and
BC is equal to half of BC.
very good, super. DE is equal to half of BC. ये भी आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स में यूज करना पड़ेगा. Okay, midpoint theorem. This is converse of midpoint theorem. Converse में एक ही डायरेक्शन में midpoint देगा and parallel बोल के देगा. अनो प्रूव करो. It bisects the third side means we have to prove that AE is equal to EC by using BPT only. In this question, what is given? AD is equal to DB is given to you.
So we need to prove that AE is equal to C.
AE is equal to EC बोल के prove करने का. Bisects the third side. Bisect means equal, right? So to prove AE is equal to EC. This is given. So by BPT, what is the thing? We know that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD and BD are equal, right? So both are equal. The given this one, right? Both are equal. This by this is how much then? 1 AE by EC. Therefore, AE equal to EC. Khatam. Easy, right? Simple. This by this बोल के equal है ना? So if you divide, you will get 1. So cross multiply, you will get answer. Converse of midpoint theorem. This is. Done, understood? Copied? Yeah. करो ना. The given PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. Okay. And PR is parallel to CD. PR is parallel to CD. We have to apply BPT only in triangles only, not in quadrilaterals. Okay. Prove that AR by AD is equal to AQ by AB. AR by AD total is equal to AQ आधा by total. रुको. आ गया अधिक.
Yes, sir.
The given first AP, this is parallel to this one. Apply BPT for this one. This one. They told AR by AD. AR by AD. मतलब छोटा by बड़ा जाने का. Okay. ठीक है. Since this is parallel to this one, I can write AQ by AB is equal to AP by AC. First one. Why in the triangle? Which one? In the triangle ACB. Because they are parallel, right? For this one, since they both are parallel, we can apply BPT in this also. कैसे आने का? This by bada. Always check the proof. उसके accordingly we have to go छोटा by बड़ा ना, बड़ा by छोटा we have to see. Okay. AR by, from the second triangle में AR by AD is equal to AP by AC.
AC.
See, from 1 and 2 में right hand side are equal. Therefore left hand side will be equal. AQ by AB is equal to AR by AD. Proved from 1 and 2. And second one prove हो गया सबका? हाँ सीखा. Second one done.
No, sir, not yet.
हाँ करो करो. Is saying to prove QB by AQ. QB by AQ is equal to DR by AR. You got Viraj? You also got answer? Okay. शावे आ गया आपको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. वो नहीं, till
Sir, I'm still doing the second one. One
हाँ
second.
second one करो. What you done, Natik? Second one बोलो. Tell me, Natik. Second one क्या किया?
So I did dr by ar is equal to cp by ap.
CP by AP. Okay.
Then I did qb by
देखो,
aq.
DR by AD.
dr by ar
AR, हाँ? DR
Yeah.
by AR. Okay.
is equal to cp by ap.
Okay.
Then I did qb by aq.
QP by
qb
QB by
aq
uh,
is equal to cp by ap.
cut.
Then
So this both are equal. DR by AR is equal to QB by AQ. So मैं Hasika, we same BPT only. We went like this. This one.
Yes, sir, I got the answer.
Yeah. चलो. Bhavani copied.
Yes,
So
sir, I got
always BPT अप्लाई करने समय आपको ट्रायंगल में ओनली अप्लाई करने का we have to see and we have to combine, then only we'll get इसका and इसका relationship आ जाएगा. Okay, चलो next one निकलो. Same type of problem. DE is parallel to AC the given. DE is parallel to AC the given. मतलब we have to take in this triangle में, this triangle में. Next DC is parallel to AP. DC is parallel to AP. Okay. So वही triangle लेने का. And then he's telling to prove BE by EC is equal to BC by CP. Okay, this by this, which factor, which triangle you will take? This is parallel to this one means इससे form होने वाला बड़ा triangle you can take. Similarly, this one parallel means you can take one triangle. For this condition, apply BPT, and for this condition, apply BPT. From 1 and 2, we'll get this one. And check करो BE by EC जाने का. छोटा by छोटा. ऐसे जाओ.
Sir, all of these questions follow only one model.
Same model. BPT and Converse will use no. आ गया इसका. Not getting it. Tell me, this is parallel to this one means by BPT apply करो. If DE is parallel to CA, tell me Asika, which by which tell me. This is parallel to this one. By BPT, इधर से start करो. BE because we want BE by EC, right? So बोलो BE by EC is equal to इस तरफ वाला.
DA.
नहीं, you're going from here, right? See this triangle I'm talking about. This triangle. This triangle में this is parallel to this one, right? Then we started from here, right? This by this is equal to AB itself जाने का BD by
PD by DA.
DA. Okay, this is the first equation. Okay, now क्या बोला DC is parallel to AP, right? Now apply करो. Which triangle? बड़ा triangle ले लो. Now this is parallel to this side. Then according to BPT, tell me BC by a बड़ा triangle में this is parallel to this one.
C by CP.
CP is equal to उस तरफ वाला
BD by DA.
DA. Second question. From 1 and 2 में right hand side is equal, left hand side will be equal. Colors.
Okay.
BE by EC is equal to BC by CP. एग्जाम में स्टेप्स लिखने का फ्रॉम दिस ट्रायंगल सो एंड सो फ्रॉम दिस ट्रायंगल से लिखने का एग्जाम. अंडरस्टूड भवन? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir, I understood.
चलो नाउ विल गो फॉर द सम कॉन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी के क्वेश्चंस भी करने वाले हैं. हाँ करो. ABC is a triangle and D and E are given to you. Okay, D and E are respectively the points on AB and AC of a triangle. Okay, so that AB value is given, this value is given, complete value, and AD value is given. Okay, this value also given, and AC value is given, and AE value also given. Okay, he's telling show that D is parallel to BC. So according to converse, if the sides are proportion, then they are parallel. So check whether their sides are proportional or not. Proportional and equal should be. आया रूडा. यस चलो नेक्स्ट. करो सेम मॉडल. He is telling is PQ is parallel to EF or not, the given values.
So do I need to write this?
What diagram doctor? Just don't need of writing anything.
This is just mental, sir.
Oh, मैं लिखने का करके बोलो. The given this also the given as QF is given, DP is given, D DE also DE also given, right? 15 centimeters. इक्वल आ गया आपको विराज? इक्वल यू गॉट? वाई
So
वाई इक्वल?
I didn't get equal.
इक्वल नहीं है, दे आर नॉट पैरेलल.
It's not.
मगर इसलिए मेंटल में ये करने का बुक में.
Oh, dq by qf.
मगर इसलिए मिस्टेक्स होगा, लिखो अच्छे से. So is PQ is parallel to EF means no. Why? Because if you see this by if you do this also 10, right? If you want this by this and this by this, they're not equal. ये तो 1/2 आ रहा है, ये तो 1/3 आ रहा है. Not equal. That means they're not parallel, right? समझ में आया सबको? क्या करो? They given PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. वही दे दिया. The sides are proportional. This by this is equal to this by this. That means they both are parallel. Already you know by BPT. Okay. And angle, this angle PST is equal to PRQ. This angle. So both are angle equal. Prove that PQR is an isosceles triangle. That means two sides are equal. Prove करने का.
Sir,
Yeah,
on this, will that work? Like both the angles are on the same base and on
same.
the same parallel.
What same base, same parallel? Which triangles are same base, same parallel?
Not triangles.
No.
Triangles.
Can you take like transversal?
ट्रांसफर लेके क्या करेगा?
We prove angle S and angle Q. Wait, never mind.
Okay. So these two are parallel, right? That means this angle and this angle are equal. Which angles are called?
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles. Because this first quadrant, AB quadrant and corresponding angles are equal. Now, since both angles are equal, we have a theorem, याद है? उसका opposite angles are, opposite sides are equal. याद है ना? खत्म. This is isosceles triangle. Steps लिखो. Easy है. If those two angles are equal, इसका opposite sides are equal. Geometry में they will combine 9 class theorems also. So even circuits also. So many questions will be coming from 9th side. Second exercise will be the homework for you. Complete second exercise. Done na? चलो. A B easy है. करो. The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the other side. They given this is D is also midpoint. That means this one equal to this one, and this also equal to this one because midpoint बोल के दिया ना. He is telling to prove this both are parallel to each other. Is it? बहुत नहीं, आंसर बोलो क्या करेंगे? The given D and E are midpoints. D is midpoint of AB. मतलब this side equal this side, and E is a midpoint means A is equal to EC बोल के दिया. Now he is telling to prove they are parallel to this is parallel to this one बोल के prove करने का. How to prove? अभिराम. अभिराम तो बैठेगा, सोएगा, एंजॉय करेगा. Bonnie, are there? I can't able to hear on the video. హాస్క డన్ ఇవాళ
So can we use midpoint theorem?
నో విచ్ టాపిక్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ बेसिकली बीपीटी
BPT.
बीपीटी का यूज करो इजी है टेल मी हाउ
Sir,
टू प्रूव
1
दिस
is
साइड
equal
इज
to
पैरेलल
1, right?
a d by db I'm doing first, they both are equal, right? Its answer is 1. Similarly ae by ec, ae by ec, so this ka bhi value both are equal because midpoint diya na, this is midpoint, that's why this part is equal, right? So is why 1 hai. Since therefore from this I can tell AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Since the ratio or proportion by converse of midpoint theorem, they are parallel. Implies DE is parallel to BC. Right? Directly we can't say theorem directly by midpoint theorem है तो BPT के हिसाब से करने का, prove करने का, right? Okay. Wherever required you can use midpoint theorem. गलती नहीं है. Okay. चलो. बहुत understood?
Yes, I did, sir.
हाँ आंसर बोलते यस सर बोल के रहेगा, आंसर पूछे तो नहीं बोलेगा, बात नहीं करेगा. हाँ चलो
No, sir, I wasn't wearing my microphone, that's why.
ओके ऑन द वीडियो मेरी नहीं करो देखते हैं. Prove that line segment joining the midpoints of the adjacent sides of a quadrilateral forms a parallelogram. They given these are midpoints. If I join all the midpoints, this is a parallelogram बोल के prove करने का. Parallelogram means conditions, right? One side equal and parallel, then we can say parallelogram, right? Anything prove करो. देखते हैं who will tell.
Sir,
Hmm.
do we have to make like construction?
हाँ make कुछ भी मैथ्स में anything possible. पहले कंस्ट्रक्ट करो. Take the help of midpoint theorem use करो. हाँ करो. Akash, you got? Doing it.
So triangle.
Yeah. The given all are midpoints only. And midpoint theorem we can use only for triangle only, right? Midpoint theorem we can use for triangle. So join AC. If I join AC, you tell me now I can apply midpoint theorem for this triangle. Okay. That means what is midpoint theorem says? If S and R is a midpoint, the line joining the midpoints is parallel to AC and also SR is half of AC. This one we learned midpoint theorem, right? So this line is parallel to AC and this line is half of AC, midpoint theorem के हिसाब से. Similarly, in this triangle में, this is in triangle कौन सा? ADC वाला. Okay. Now in this triangle ABC. Now tell me, these two are midpoints. The line join the midpoint. PQ is parallel to AC, and PQ is half of AC. Right? Then from this I can tell SR is parallel to PQ. देखो, this is SR is parallel to AC. PQ is parallel to AC. Therefore, SR is parallel to PQ. Right? Somewhere. And this right hand side equal. Therefore, left hand side also equal. And SR is equal to PQ. So this is parallel to this one, and this is also equal to this one. One side parallel and equal. It is a parallelogram. So we proved, right? So midpoint theorem also useful है. जब फॉर्मूला शीट लिखने समय आपको जो theorems useful है वो एक जगह में लिखने का, फॉर्मूला शीट बनाने का. I will tell to do the formula sheet. इसलिए parallelly कभी भी टाइम है तो आप पहले से लिखो, so that easy for you. मैं बोलने वाला हूँ आगे वन, तो ऑलवेज. सो इन फॉर्मूला शीट में कभी भी जो है पोर्शन में वो लिख लो. व्हेनेवर क्वेश्चंस करने समय नया कुछ फॉर्मूला आए तो यू हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट इन द फॉर्मूला शीट में. ओके, आगे समझ में आया? नाउ योर होमवर्क इज व्हाट? 6.2 एक्सरसाइज ओपन करो. कितना क्वेश्चंस आर देयर? 6.2 exercise is a homework. Complete 6.2.